Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download GTA 4 on any PC or laptop. Alright, so let's begin. So what you want to do for the first step is you want to go ahead and open up any browser. Then you want to go ahead and search Rockstar. You should find the first website, which will be Rockstar Games. So you want to basically go ahead and click on this. Then once you go ahead and you open up Rockstar Games, now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the search bar. Then you want to go ahead and just type out GTA 4. Then you just want to click on search. Once you click on search, you just want to scroll all the way down and you will find the gist of GTA 4. So go ahead and click on GTA 4. Then you want to simply go ahead and just click on the left-hand side, which will be Buy Now. So go ahead and click on that. Then what you want to now do is you want to go ahead and click on Buy Now for PC. Since you are doing this on a PC. So go ahead and click on that. Now you will be on this payment page. You just have to complete the payment process and the GTA 4 will be downloaded on your PC. So that's basically how you can download GTA 4 on any PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.